In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Microsoft To-Do tasks in Outlook Desktop. Good news, you don't need to export anything. Microsoft To-Do and Outlook speak the same language as long as you're signed in with the same Microsoft account. Your tasks live in Exchange Online, which means they automatically appear in Outlook's task area once the accounts match. Start by confirming you're using the same account in both places. In Microsoft To-Do, make sure you're signed in with the work, school, or personal Microsoft account you actually use for tasks. In Outlook Desktop, confirm you're signed in with that exact same account as your primary mailbox. If the accounts don't match, the task lists won't sync, so align them first. Now, open Outlook Desktop on Windows. Look at the navigation area at the bottom of the window. In Classic Outlook, click the Tasks icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a clipboard or be tucked under the three dots menu. That opens the Tasks view, and you should see the same items you created in Microsoft To-Do. Because everything is stored on the same Exchange account, your lists and due dates carry over automatically. If you organize in To-Do by lists, you'll see corresponding folders here, and changes you make in either app will stay in sync. If you're using the new Outlook for Microsoft 365, there may be a dedicated To-Do or Tasks button in the side navigation, often shown with a check mark. Click it to open your synced To-Do experience directly inside Outlook. New Outlook integrates To-Do natively, so the content mirrors what you see in the To-Do app without any extra setup beyond that matching account. If you don't immediately see tasks in Classic Outlook, click the three dots at the bottom left and choose Tasks to reveal it. Sometimes the icon is hidden when the navigation bar is condensed. After opening it, give Outlook a moment. Initial sync can take a bit, especially if you've just signed in or have a large task list. That's all there is to it. Use the same Microsoft account in both Microsoft To-Do and Outlook, then open the Tasks or To-Do section in Outlook to view and manage everything in one place. No exports, no imports, just seamless built-in sync powered by Exchange Online, so your tasks are right where you expect them.